Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 136. This was the 13th of January 2023, a Friday. So I did exercise on the treadmill for 45 minutes. That included a 5-minute jog. Most of the day was taken up. I had a chiropractic appointment. I went with my daughter. That appointment is an hour away from where I live and an hour back. And then I had lunch with my daughter while I was out there. And then when I did get back, I worked on Remote Wellness Academy, finished one of the video courses on one of the training modules, and then I worked on books, and then I had solar business, specifically getting used to sending in LinkedIn connection requests and learning that system. So that was my day for day 136. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Talk to you tomorrow.